Your business is no longer moving well. You no longer get contract. Things are no longer working out for you. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can destroy charms, voodoo, spiritual spell using only 2 items I will introduce to you in this video. Okay. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Gideon and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. Please do well to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Okay. A lot of people have been suffering from charms, voodoo, okay, spiritual spell. Things are no longer working out in their life. Sometimes this charm is from your family, like where you come from. Okay. Somebody may have buried something and that thing is working against your progress, against the progress of you and your siblings. Okay, sometimes your colleague can use charms and voodoo to manipulate things that you do, your career, your job, your business, and things will no longer be going fine for you. So that's why I'm making this video in today, to teach you 2 things that you should use to destroy anything that has to do with charm, voodoo, and spiritual spell. Okay, this video is very, very important. Okay, if you find yourself in this category, you need to watch this video to the end because you are going to learn a lot. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end as I review to you the 2 items that you should use and how you can use it to stop that spell and spiritual charms and voodoo. So keep watching. Welcome back. So the 2 items that you should use to destroy these charms, voodoo, and spiritual spell. Number 1 is an egg. You need to get a native egg. That's number 1. Okay. And the second thing is stop evil salt. Stop evil salt. That is the second thing that you should use. Now I will teach you how to use these 2 items. Okay. Now once you have gotten these 2 items, you are going to bring out this stop evil salt. We are going to bring out this stop evil salt. Keep it on a ground, okay, and stand on it. Okay, remove your slippers, remove your shoe, and stand on that stop evil salt. Now use your left hand and take this egg. Keep it at the center of your head with your hand holding it. Okay, keep it at the center of your head with your hand holding it. This spiritual assignment, you are going to do it at the midnight, 12 o'clock midnight. That's when you're going to do it. Okay, keep it at the center of your head and speak a word. Okay, speak a word, declare your intention, say what you want. Anybody that is using spell, charm, voodoo from your village, from your colleague, from your place of work, okay, that today you are destroying it. Okay, this will be the things that you will say as you're holding that egg on top of your head. So after saying that, you break that egg. You use that your left hand and break that egg in front of you. Okay, so make sure that you do this spiritual assignment outside your room. Okay, after you break that egg in front of you, you turn back and go inside. Don't look back again. Okay, you turn back and go inside. Don't look back again. Okay, so once you have done this, anything that have connected you with that spell, that voodoo, that spiritual charm, you have destroyed it. You have exempted yourself from that. Okay, so that is what you should do. Okay, only once. You are not going to do it twice, only once. Okay, after doing it, you see how things will start moving well for you. Okay, so that is how it is done. If you have any question that you want to ask, make sure you use the comment section. Okay, in case if you do not understand any part of this video. Okay, just do it only once, 12 o'clock in the midnight. Okay, so that is how it is done. Make sure you do this outside your room, not inside your room. Okay, just do it and turn back and go inside. Just 12 o'clock in the midnight, and you see that everything that has to do with you will start working again. Okay, so make sure you do this and you see the testimony. So here I'll be wrapping it up in this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.